is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got something pretty heavy duty. We've got Daebak with their ghost pepper cheese in the pack. Not the cup, in the pack. There's a lot of stuff going on here. This one's adjustable. I'm going full tilt. There will be a mukbang following, so look around for that. Here is the noodle block. Look at that. That looks vicious, folks. I'm like, wow. Okay, so it said 4 to 4.5 minutes. So I'm doing exactly that. Alright. This is gonna be crazy. I haven't done a mukbang. I did the Carolina Reaper one recently. And that was pretty spicy. That's for sure. So basically you boil the noodle, then you drain it, and then you save 3 spoons of water, which is 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna grab that right about now. Here's my 1 tablespoon. Definitely want to do that right off the bat. 1. Some people will say, you shouldn't do that. That's not the right way. You'll dilute it. We laugh at you. We laugh at you in all of our instant noodle world laughitude. Yeah. But I've had so many people throw that out. Like the last mukbang I put out was on Valentine's Day, and that was for the lovely hot. Everybody, all they cared about, did it taste good? No, that question didn't come out. How spicy is it? Is it this spicy? Is it that spicy? It's like, how can I give you an answer to questions you don't have the ability to perceive? Because, I mean, it's like, I've got a mouth. You've got a mouth. I've got a mouth. My wife has a mouth. What I'll be like, I'm not getting much spicy at all on this. And then she'll try to be like, oh, I am, you know? And so it's really as subjective of a thing as possible. Now you might go, well then why do you have top 10 lists for spiciness, Ramen Raider? And I'll say to that, I think it's probably about logical to say, okay, this person might think something is very spicy at a lower amount, but as far as increases in spiciness, I'm gonna guess across the board that's probably about the same. Get me? So at least that's what I think. Yeah. That is my thinking. But yeah, I'm gonna gussy this up and then go and eat the noodle. I made some really good chicken. I sliced up some chicken, sauteed it with a little bit of Maggi seasoning, some of this stuff, which is really good. Umami, S&B umami topping, crunchy garlic and chili oil. This is really good. My wife said it's not even spicy. I don't know. And some sesame seed, because I wanted it kind of looking like the package looks, and it looks like a very sloppy chicken with some seeds on it. So, wow, this noodle is crazy looking. I mean, really, truly, it looks kind of crazy. I'm gonna do my standard duty-do. What's that, Ramen Raider? I'll tell you. Standard duty-do is to make everything look like nasi goreng. It is. I take a thing, I kind of put it down like a scoop of rice kind of deal. It works out. It works out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we drain the noodles, saving 3 spoons. I've already reserved those. Wow, this is some dark noodly madness. Hiya. It doesn't really smell spicy or anything. They're just adding a thing in there to make it look a little darker. Okay, come on, you go. Turn that off. Yeah, why don't you have a look at this? Here's what we got. Look at that, that's dark. It kind of looks like, what do you call it? Jajang. Here's our hot 3 tablespoons of water. We've got this liquid sachet. That looks pretty heavy duty. I guess we'll find out. I don't know. All done up in as much as possible. It smells spicy. Ladies and gentlemen, it smells spicy. And then, since it's a spicy ghost pepper cheese spicy chicken, we have some cheese powder. And now, for the Insano, we got this. Caution, ghost pepper oil. Add at your own risk. And the idea is that you can ratchet it up or down as spicy or less spicy as you want. That's not what I do here. Here's all of it. What I really don't want is to get any on my finger and then itch my eye or anything like that, but make sure there's none on my fingers. I feel pretty dry. But yeah, people get all worried when you follow the directions and it's not the directions that they want to see. But I get it. You want to have the spiciest experience possible. Okay. I want to do it as close to manufacturer's specifications as possible. Because I'm going to give it a score in the end, and that is the most important part. If somebody's like, oh, you know, I make this stuff and I add Carolina Reaper peppers in it myself. That's the spiciest instant noodle of all time. It's like, you can't go buy that at the store, dude. You can buy a cup that these guys make that has Carolina Reaper in it, but not one that comes with like a fresh Carolina Reaper chili. Got it? So, I mean, anyways, that's my little bit of shmee. Let's put this over here. You're also gonna wonder, wait, where's you trying it? It's like, it'll be in the video. I'm not doing it today. Or I will do it today, but I'm not doing it right now. Because I gotta plate this stuff, then I gotta go try it out. I know I'm gonna get a comment. Dude, you just made it. You didn't taste it. You didn't eat it. I swear, I get that every single time I do a mukbang, folks. That and people are like, you say it funny. It's mukbang. everything being equal, I don't think it is. I really don't. Let's put you right there. Look at that. Oh my God, that's a lot. What are you guys trying to do? Kill me? Jeez. Okay, and then we got our egg. I made a lovely egg. Boy, I made a lot of dishes dirty today. Egg. And it's spicy chicken. So I made that really good chicken I was talking about earlier. And honestly, this chicken I am really looking forward to. A little bit of fried onion. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. A little bit more sesame seed. I got the idea to do this from the packaging. Serving suggestion. I was laughing with one of my buddies earlier. So there's this, it shows cheese on it, but I don't have any of that kind of cheese. I have no Swiss cheese, so I will not be adding Swiss cheese. However, I do have some spring onion. Whoa, I don't need that. Yeah, I think we're good there. And that is what I've made for you to see. And I will be ingesting this momentarily on Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show. If it's really hot, you'll see me going, oh my God, that's so hot, whoa. If it's not, but it's still pretty hot, I only jump up and down and freak out if there's real reason to. So I'm gonna go set up and you watch. Alright, that's it for me for today. So I'm gonna go do that. So look it up. It'll be a spicy noodle mukbang here on the Ramen Raider YouTube channel. Yeah. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Wish me luck. Bye bye.